How to adjust brightness in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust brightness. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. Now on the top you can see your projects. Here you can create a new project or open older ones. Here I am opening an older project. Now in order to adjust and even have brightness, simply tap on the video first. Now here on the bottom you can see this adjust button. Simply tap on adjust. Now on the top you'll be able to see this brightness option. So here are different options available. You can increase it or decrease it according to your preference. At last, simply tap on the stick button on the top and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.